Okay. Good morning to everyone. So my voice is audible? Can
Yes, sir. Good
okay.
morning, sir.
Morning. Okay. So the next topic and the last topic in the first unit is the logarithm of complex numbers. Okay. Actually, the logarithm of complex number is also useful in the third semester. Okay. So when you study complex variable uh, in the third semester, so you will use some of the ideas from this topic. So, so first I will define what is the principal value of logarithm. Principal value of logarithm is defined by, usually it is defined by a small l, okay, log of x plus iy, which is equal to 1 by 2 log of x square plus y square plus I tan inverse of y by x. So this is principal value of logarithm of a complex number x plus iy. Half log of x square plus y square plus I tan inverse of y by x. Or you can write logarithm log of root of x square plus y square because of this half. Okay, you can write log of root of x square plus y square plus I tan inverse of y by x. So general value of logarithm. So which is defined by and denoted by capital log, capital L, log of x plus iy, okay, x plus iy, which is equal to 1 by 2 log of small l here x square plus y square plus I tan inverse of y by x, the same thing, okay, plus you should add I to n pi. Okay, so the general value of logarithm is equal to principal value of the logarithm plus I to n pi. Okay, so note. So you can write a power x, okay, a power x is equal to e power log a power x. Okay, or you can write, this is small l, even you can write for capital also, e power a power x is equal to e power capital log a power x, because exponential and logarithm are inverse of each other. So that's why you'll get a power x, you can write e power log a power x. Okay. So now we will solve some simple problem. How many students? 20. Okay. So here we defined the principal value of the logarithm and the general value of the logarithm. The principal value of the logarithm is log of x plus iy equal to half log of x square plus y square plus I tan inverse of y by x, and the general value of the logarithm, which is denoted by capital L, capital log of x plus iy equal to half log of x square plus y square plus I tan inverse of y by x, and then plus you should add I to n pi. I told that general value of the logarithm is equal to principal value plus I to n pi. Okay. So now find the real and the imaginary part of first problem. Actually, this is the 15th class, 15th lecture. Okay, I need to finish trigonometry, but I am unable to finish. That's why I'm taking today extra 15 minutes, but still I can't finish it. Okay, I need 1 more hour. Okay, it's okay. I will manage later. Uh, find the real and imaginary part of e power. I don't know, e power I theta. First problem solution. So you can write e power I theta is equal to e power. So for this e power I theta, you can write what? Cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay. So now you can write this is equal to e power cos theta into e power I sin theta. Okay. So now this one you can write e power cos theta. This is of the form e power I theta. E power I theta is what? Cos theta plus I sin theta. So instead of theta, here I have sin theta. So, yeah, please. Okay. Cos of sin theta plus I sin of sin theta. Okay. So now I need the real and imaginary part. So real part of e power I theta equal to e power cos theta into cos of sin theta, and the imaginary part of e power I theta, okay, is what? Can you explain the above step again? Which step? Whether this step or this step? I don't know exactly, Avantika. Okay, I will explain from the beginning. E power I theta. Okay, so you can instead of e power I theta, you can write cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay, so e power cos theta I keep this e. Okay, e power I theta is what? Cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay. So next step I will write e power cos theta in split like this. Okay, e power I into sin theta. Okay. Now from here to here, I keep e power cos theta as it is. Okay. Here I used e power I. This is sin theta. So you know that e power I theta equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. So instead of theta, you have sin theta. So that's why cos of sin theta plus I sin of sin theta. So now the real part is of e power I theta is you need to multiply these two. Okay. So e power cos theta into cos of sin theta. So imaginary part means you should multiply uh, this term into sine of sin theta. So e power cos theta into sine of sin theta. So this is the final answer. Now, second problem. Find the real and imaginary part of find the real and imaginary part of log of 1 plus e power I 2 theta. Solution. So first you should write what is given the question. Log of 1 plus e power I 2 theta. Okay. So this is log of 1 plus e power I 2 theta is cos 2 theta plus I sin 2 theta. Okay. So now I am grouping these two. Okay. So now what is 1 plus cos 2 theta? 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta plus I sin 2 theta. You can write what? 2 sin theta into cos theta. So here, what is common? 2 cos theta is common. 2 cos theta is common. That's why I'm going to write this is log of 2 cos theta into cos theta plus I into sin theta. So now you can write this is log within bracket 2 cos theta. Cos theta plus I sin theta is you can write e power I theta. Okay, so now this is of the form log m into n. So you can write using the properties of logarithm. So log of 2 cos theta plus log e power I theta. So now this is nothing but log 2 cos theta, okay, plus I theta. So now what is the real part? Real part is log of 2 cos theta and imaginary part is what? Theta. So real part is equal to log 2 cos theta and imaginary part equal to just theta. So next problem. Okay, so before going to the next problem, I will give you a note. Okay, I will give you a note. This is useful for you. So when z equal to x plus iy, you can write in polar form. You can write what? This is r into e power I theta. So x plus iy equal to, you can write r into e power I theta is what? Cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay, wow. What is x? X is equal to r cos theta, and y equal to what? R sin theta. Okay. Now, what is x square plus y square? R square, because r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. So if you take r square commonly, you have what? Cos square theta plus sin square theta. So you have r square. Okay. Similarly, uh, what is y by x? Y by x is r sin theta divided by r cos theta, which is equal to tan theta. Okay. So from this, you can write r equal to what? Root of x square plus y square. Or otherwise, you can write r equal to half. Okay, I think if you take log, okay, so you can keep r equal to root of x square plus y square. And what is that? Tan theta equal to y by x. Okay, what? Tan theta equal to y by x. What is theta? Theta equal to tan inverse of y by x. So this is r, this is theta. Okay. So now we know that x plus iy equal to r into e power I theta. So taking log on both sides. So log of x plus iy log of x plus iy equal to log r into e power I theta. Taking log on both sides. Okay. So now this is log a into b. Okay, you can write this is log a plus log e power I theta. So this is equal to log r plus log and the exponential inverse of each other. So you can write this is log r plus I theta. But we know that r equal to what? Root of x square plus y square, and theta equal to tan inverse of y by x. So left hand side is what? Left hand side is log of x plus iy. Okay. So this is what? Log of root of x square plus r. R is x square plus y square plus I into tan inverse of tan inverse of y by x. Theta is what? Tan inverse of y by x. Okay. So this is a result. This is a result. You can see here So log of x plus iy equal to what? Principal value is what? Half log of x square plus y square plus I tan inverse of y by x. Even you can write this is what? Instead of root, or you can write log of x plus iy equal to, because of this root, you can write half using the properties of logarithm, half log of x square plus y square, okay, plus I tan inverse of y by x. So you will use this result in the third semester. Okay. So now, using this result, we can derive one more result also. So, okay, so we will do it now. So, again, note number maybe 2. So, previous one is note number 1. This is note number 2. Okay. So, substitute or put x is equal to 1 and y equal to x. Okay. In this equation, okay, in log of x plus iy is equal to log of root of x square plus y square plus I tan inverse of y by x. So please substitute and tell the next step. Trivarjan, please tell what is the next step. X is what? 1
Yes,
plus
sir.
y is what?
Ix.
Yx. Okay, log root of x square. X square is 1 plus y square is what? X square plus I tan inverse of y by
1.
x. Yeah, x by 1 x by 1, because x is equal to 1. Okay, so now there is no need to write x by 1, just write x. Okay, so now what is the imaginary part of log of 1 plus ix? C Vastan J. She version Avantika log root of 1 plus x square. That is a real part, Avantika. I am asking the imaginary part. I think I asked the imaginary part. Imaginary part of log of 1 plus ix is what? Tan inverse of x. Srivastan J. So I think your name is 2 times in the GCR. Srivastan is here. Please reply. Srivastan J. I think you may slide it. Okay. That's why your name is 2 times. So if possible, okay. So now, okay. So this is actually, I'm asking what? I'm asking the imaginary part of log of 1 plus ix. So that is what? Tan inverse of x. Okay. So now, otherwise we can write tan inverse of x is equal to imaginary part of what? Log of 1 plus ix. Okay. So now you should know log of 1 plus x formula. Okay, log of 1 plus x. So imaginary part of log of 1 plus x. What is the formula of Kavimani? If you know, you can tell, otherwise, no problem. Yuvashri?
X
Yeah, please.
minus
Yeah, x minus
x square by 2
log of, I'll write here, log of 1 plus x is equal to x minus,
x square by 2
okay, so, okay, please tell me.
plus x
Ah.
cube by 3
Plus x cube by 3,
minus x power 4 by 4.
okay, and so on. Okay, wow. Thank you. Thank you, Yuvashi. What is, I think one more formula also here. What is log of 1 minus x? Please tell Yuvashi.
X
Correct. Correct. Sorry, x
plus x square by 2
so everything plus
plus I think so, sir.
so please check it.
Okay, sir, I will check it.
Yeah, I think we have minus everywhere. I think so. I think I gave this formula in the classroom also when I'm using, I think the third section. Third section means what? Log of cos theta and sin theta and ascending powers of theta. When I am taking the class, I gave this formula. So please check it and then please confirm it before this hour. Everyone, okay?
Yes, sir, correct one.
Which Purnachandra, please tell. Which one is
Minus one
correct?
is minus, sir.
Everywhere minus. Is it
Yes,
correct?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Purnachandra. It's okay. So you should, everybody should know the formulas. Okay. So thank you, Vashi. So if you suppose if I ask, if I just call your name, so if you know, you can tell. Otherwise, you can say, "Sir, I don't know. I will try next time." Otherwise, you can just message me, "Sir, I don't know. I will try for the next question." So this is the proper manner. Okay. So you should learn first these things, and then you can study any subjects. Okay. So even the classroom, I expect the same thing. Suppose you feel that you should know you are in the classroom. Okay. If I ask any question, so don't leave. So that means the same thing. Suppose if I ask in the classroom, okay, so particular person. So if you go out of the classroom, is it the correct way to respond to your teacher? So due to network connection, disconnection means okay, I'll agree. Okay. Suppose if I ask a question, then if you leave means it is not good. Okay. So now imaginary part of log of 1 plus ix. Okay. So now this is x ix. Instead of x, I have ix minus x square by 2, that is ix whole square by 2 plus ix whole cube by 3 minus ix whole power 4 by 4 plus and so on. So this is log of 1 plus x. So this is equal to, so imaginary part of ix, I square is minus, so minus of minus plus x square by 2. I cube is what? I cube is minus I, x cube by 3 minus I power 4 is 1.
X power.
Yeah, x power 4 by 4 and so on. Okay, I need only the imaginary part. So tan inverse of x is equal to x minus x cube divided by 3. What is next term?
X power 5
Minus or plus?
plus, sir.
Yeah, plus, correct. Okay, I don't write here, but next term is x power 5 by 5 minus and so on. Okay, so this is the result. Now, if you have the previous year question paper, part B, yesterday I done it 11th question, I think first two questions. What is the third question? Please take it. I don't have. If you have, please take it quickly and then read that problem. Anyone? How fast you are?
Sir, January 2021 question paper, sir.
Not January. Okay, I think December 2020. Okay, so meanwhile I will write the next problem. Please search it and then tell. Yeah, please tell. How many?
Sir, I found it, but it has two questions, sir.
Only two questions.
Third one done, sir.
Third one, yeah.
Third question, find the sum of the series done, sir.
Question padi. Please
A cos square alpha minus a cube by 3 cos square 3 alpha plus a power 5 by 5 cos square 5 alpha using the series of a sin square alpha minus a cube by 3 sin square 3 alpha plus a power 5 by 5 sin square 5 alpha and applying the Grigori series.
Grigori series. Okay.
Yes, sir. Tan inverse of a equal to a minus a cube by 5 plus a power 5 by 5.
So why I told that you need to refer that problem, because they are gave tan inverse of a equal to what? Tan inverse of a equal to a minus a cube by 3 plus a power 5 by 5. Is this given a Kavimani?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's why I want to, because you don't know before that. Okay, so you should know each and everything. So then only you can solve a bigger problem. Okay. Okay, so that's why first we learned how to prove what is the result for tan inverse of x. That is x minus x cube by 3 plus x power 5 by 5 minus 1. And then we need to learn what is Grigori series. Okay, and then you need to solve that problem. So try to solve that problem. Okay, if you got the answer for that problem, you can post in the group. Okay, or you can send to me, I will check it. Otherwise, I will solve the problem. Okay, first you need to try. Okay, so next problem. I think I finished this note. Problem number 2. Problem number 2 is prove that the real part of principal value of I power log of I power log of 1 plus I is e power minus pi square by 8 into cos of pi by 4 into log 2. Solution. Okay. So what is the question? First, you should understand the question. Prove that the real part of principal value, okay, not the general value, principal value of I power log of 1 plus I is this function, okay. Now, you can write y equal to, I am writing this is y equal to I power log of 1 plus I. Okay. So taking log on both sides, log y equal to log I power log of 1 plus I. Now this is of the form log m power n. This is m, this is n. So log m power n, you can write what? N log m. So you can write this is n. So log of 1 plus I, that is n, okay, into log m. What is m? I. Okay. So now log of 1 plus I, log I. So multiplication. Okay. So product here. So what is log of 1 plus I? I will ask you somebody. Okay. Danish Raja, if you know, you can tell. Okay. Okay. No problem. Aditya. So I'm asking only the basic questions. I'm not asking the very difficult questions. Okay. Prashant Kumar, if you know, you can tell. Prashant.
Sir, I minus.
Very good. Yeah. Log of 1 plus I, I will give you hint. Okay. Log of 1 plus I. The first slide there. Okay. Log of x plus iy is what? Okay. Half log of x square plus y square plus I tan inverse of y by x. So you should use this formula. Okay. So please tell Prashant Kumar.
I minus.
Log of, okay, 1 by 2 log of 1 by 2 1 by 2 log of, what is a? A is 1,
1.
b is also 1.
1. Yes, sir.
Okay, not b, don't think b is I. Okay, b is 1. So half log a square. A square is what? 1 square plus b square is 1 square plus I tan inverse of b by a. B is 1, a is 1. So this is log of 1 plus I. Okay, so now here log I, okay, what is a? A is 0 because there is no real part. B equal to what? 1. So now this in here half log a is what? 0, b is 1 plus I tan inverse of b by a. What is b? 1, a is 0. Okay. So now this is equal to half log 2 plus I into tan inverse of 1. What is tan inverse of 1?
Pi by 4.
Yeah, pi by 4. into half log 1. Log 1 is 0. 0 plus this is actually what? I tan inverse of 1 by 0 is infinity. So this is equal to, I will write in the next page, half log 2 plus I pi by 4 tan inverse of infinity is pi by 2. So I pi by 2. Okay. So from this you can easily know that log I, okay, the principal value of log I is I pi by 2. Okay. So now I'm going to multiply these two. If I multiply, you'll get what? I pi by 4 log 2 I square is minus pi square by 8. Okay, what is the left hand side? Left hand side is log y. So log y equal to this. From this, what is y? Y equal to e power everything. What is e power everything? I pi by 4 log 2 minus pi square by 8. Or you can write this is equal to e power I pi by 4 log 2 into e power minus pi square by 8. So this is e power I theta. This is theta. So you can write, first you can write e power minus pi square by 8 into e power I theta is what? Cos theta, but theta is pi by 4 log 2 plus I sin theta. Theta is pi by 4 log 2. So I need a real part. Okay. What is y? Y is nothing but I power log of 1 plus I. I power log of 1 plus I. So therefore, the real part of I power log of 1 plus I is, if they ask real part, you need to multiply these two. And if they ask imaginary part, you need to multiply these two. So e power minus pi square by 8 into cos of pi by 4 log 2. So problem is over. We'll go to the next problem. Prove that tan of I log of a minus ib divided by a plus ib, okay, is equal to 2ab divided by a square minus b square. Okay, so first here I am going to consider log of a minus ib by a plus ib. So this is equal to log a by m by n. M by n you can write log m minus log n. Okay. So Mithun, Are you willing to answer for my question, Mithun? Okay. Priyanka, Rahul,
Sir.
okay. So maybe I need to give some extra marks. Those who are maybe in the CA, I will give. I should give. Okay, those who are giving the answers for in the classrooms. Okay, thank you, Priyanka. So then only the students will come forward. So those who are giving the answer for regularly, they will give the answer. I will consider separately. Okay. Okay, please tell Ram. I don't expect your answer is correct. Okay, and I am expecting you are responding properly. Even if you done mistake, I will correct it. Okay, please tell Raghu what is log of one.
A minus IB, sir.
Indrajit, please write log of a minus ib. Yes, please tell Raghu. Half.
Half log x square plus y square. Sorry, a square plus b square.
Okay, பரவாயில்ல தப்புல்ல. A square plus
b square.
B square actually minus B. Actually, this is the meaning. Okay, but you can directly write. Okay.
Plus I tan inverse of minus B by A.
Yeah, plus I tan inverse of
minus B by A.
Yeah, minus B by A. Correct, Ragul. And then minus
half log A square plus B square.
I think I'll put a bracket. Half log A square plus B square.
Plus I tan inverse of B by A.
I tan inverse of B by A. Okay. So now you can cancel what? The half log A square plus B square minus half log A square plus B square. Is it correct? You can cancel. Yeah, these two terms. What is tan inverse of minus x, Rahul?
Sir, tan inverse of minus x.
Okay, what is tan inverse of minus x?
I think minus tan inverse of x.
Yes, you are correct. Okay, tan inverse of minus x is equal to minus tan inverse of x. Your answer is correct. That's why here I am going to use tan inverse of minus b by a. Okay, you can write what? Minus tan inverse of b by a. And then minus of here you have what? Minus,
yes,
here you have plus, minus. Yeah, minus.
Yes,
Minus
tan inverse of
tan inverse of b by a. So which is equal to minus 2i.
2i tan inverse of b by a.
Tan inverse of b by a. Thank you, Purnachandran. So now I am going to first I got it what? Log of a minus ib divided by a plus ib. Okay, now I am going to multiply both side I because I need I log of a minus ib by a plus ib. If you multiply both side I, Priyanka, please tell. If I multiply both side I, what is the right hand side? If you know, you can tell. Log of a minus ib divided by a plus ib. Indrajit, I think you raised your hand. If you know, you can tell the answer. So I square is what? I square is minus. So minus of minus plus.
Plus.
Okay, va?
2 tan inverse of b by a.
2 tan inverse of b by a. Okay. So now I am going to write this is equal to 2 into theta, where theta equal to tan inverse of b by a. Okay. So this is what I log of A minus IB divided by A plus IB. Okay. But I need what? I need a tan of this function. Okay. So tan, I'm going to take tan on both sides. So tan I log A minus IB divided by A plus IB. Okay. So take tan on both sides, tan 2 theta. Okay. So now the final answer is in terms of what? AB. Okay. AB. Okay. So now AB means okay. So what is the tan theta in terms of theta? Anybody?
Sir,
Anybody? Yeah, please tell.
n pi plus pi by 2.
ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು you are telling
2 tan
yeah.
So 2 tan theta by 1 plus
theta by 1 minus tan square.
Yeah, 2 tan theta divided by, yes,
1
correct.
minus tan square theta.
Yeah,
Tan
2
square
tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square
Tan
theta.
square theta.
Yeah, so actually I'm asking tan 2 theta in terms of tan theta. Okay. So now what is tan theta? It is in the slide. You need to find out. It is somewhere else here, here or here. You need to find
B
out.
by A.
Huh?
By S. B
Yeah,
by
B by A. Yes, correct. So theta equal to tan inverse of B by A. So tan theta equal to B by A. One minus B by A whole square. Okay. So this is equal to 2 B by A divided by
A square minus B
A
square
square
by
minus
B square
A square
by
minus
A
B
square.
square by A square. Or otherwise, this A square, if you go to the numerator, you'll get
Then
2AB by
2ab by A square minus B square
Yes, correct. Purnachandran. 2AB divided
By?
by, yeah,
A square minus B square.
yes. So actually, this is what? Tan of
I log
I log
A minus IB
yeah,
by
A minus IB by A plus IB.
IB.
Okay. So problem is over. So now I am going to give a practice problem very similar to this problem. Okay. So try to get the answer and post in the group. Show that there are two questions. Show that log of A plus IB divided by A minus IB equal to 2I tan inverse of B by A, and hence evaluate cos of I log A plus IB divided by A minus IB. So in the previous problem, I think yeah, tan of I log of A minus IB divided by A plus IB. Okay, here cos I log, here the numerator will have plus, denominator will have minus. Okay, here you should know the formula tan 2 theta equal to 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Here you need formula. Which formula you need?
1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta.
Cos 2 theta formula. Yes, correct. 1 minus
Tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta.
yeah, 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta.
Yes, sir.
So the final answer also I'll give. Okay, This is the answer. 1 a square minus b square divided by
By a square plus b square.
a square plus b square. Okay. So now you should try this problem and then, okay, I'll do one more problem. Problem number 5. Prove that I power I equal to e power minus 4n plus 1 pi by 2. Okay, so if you look at the question, whether we need to consider principal value of the logarithm or general value of the logarithm.
General value.
General value. Why, Purnachandra?
Sir, it is in n, sir.
N.
4n.
Yeah, you are right. So n is the indicator. Okay, so we need to use general value of logarithm. Okay, so that is the first thing you should know. Okay, similar type of problems I gave in the second assignment, and I think Purnachandra also told that, sir, how to solve the problem. Which problem? Purnachandra, you asked to me.
Root I whole power root I.
Yeah, root I power root I. We are doing here I power I. Okay, va?
Yes, sir.
So if I done it I power I, can you do it root I power root I now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, you can try. So then only everyone say you are engineers. Okay. Okay, I am telling to everyone, not only Purnachandra. So keep it. You are doing engineering. Okay. In your mind. So if I tell one problem, so similar problems you need to do. So then only literally you are engineers. Okay, I power I. So I power I. So is equal to, you can write e power log, because I am considering here you have n, e power log I power I. Okay. So this is equal to, using the properties of logarithm, okay, you can write log m power n is what? I e power I log I. Okay. So this is equal to e power I log I, log capital log I. So okay, va? So Gopalnath, if you know, you can tell the answer. What is log I? The one. Ramya, Karthikeyan. So if you give the answer, you will get a job in TCS. Then how many of them ready to give the answer?
Sir, by using log of x plus iy, sir. Log of x plus iy.
Priyanka gave B by A, not B by A, Priyanka. So log I, actually again.
Sir, I pi by 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, I pi by 2. Who gave the answer?
Sir, Mani.
Kavimani. Yes, Kruva Arjun gave I pi by 4. Okay, but it is I pi by 2 directly. So, but I don't ask the final answer. Even I don't ask the final answer. I am asking, we should use this definition. The first slide. Okay, log of x plus iy equal to what? Half log of x square plus y square plus I tan inverse of y by x plus I 2n pi. So I will ask only difficult questions, okay, to particular persons only. I know that who will give the answer, then only I will ask. Okay, these types of questions are very easier questions. So log I. Okay. Here what is A? A is 1 and B, sorry, A is 0 and B is what? 1. Okay. So now e power I log I. So log I is what? Sorry, I missed half. Okay, half log of A square plus B square plus I tan inverse of B by A. B is what? B is
by
1.
0.
Yeah, 1 by 0 plus I 2n pi. Okay. So now this is equal to, you can write e power I log 1. Log 1 is 0. Okay. So this is 0 plus tan inverse of infinity. This is a tan inverse of, okay, I'll write tan inverse of infinity plus I 2n pi. So this is equal to e power I. This is tan inverse of infinity is pi by 2. So I pi by 2 plus I 2n pi. So now I took I commonly. Okay. I think Kavimani told that I pi by 2 plus I 2n pi. Okay. So if it is a principal value, log I is what? I pi by 2. So log I principal value is what? I pi by 2. But log, this is general value means I pi by 2 plus you should add I 2n pi. Okay. So now I took I commonly. So if I took I commonly, I into I square minus, so e power minus, or you can write one more step, I square pi by 2 plus 2n pi so this is equal to e power minus pi by 2 plus 2n pi. But I need here pi by 2. So I took commonly pi by 2. If I took commonly e power minus pi by 2, what is remaining? 1 plus 4n, or you can write 4n plus 1. So this is the final answer.
Sir,
Yeah, please tell.
for root a whole power root a, you have to write general equation or principal equation only?
Yeah, you are right. Okay, because the answer is not given. Okay,
Okay.
so you can do by general. Okay,
Okay, sir.
you can do. So try to do it and then send to me. I will check it. Okay, if you
Okay,
have
okay,
doubts. Okay.
okay, sir.
Thank you, Purnachandra. Sixth question and the last question today's class. If I power if I power up to infinity, okay, it should equal to a plus ib. Prove that subdivision 1, a square plus b square equal to e power minus pi b. Subdivision 2, b by a equal to tan pi a divided by 2. Solution. Okay, so what is given? So what is given the statement? That is I power up to infinity equal to a plus ib. So instead of So instead of this, I can replace by what? Uddhavan. Sorry. Purnachandra.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Instead of I power infinity, I can write what?
Why, sir? I power.
But it is up to infinity. So I power infinity equal to what? A plus IB. So instead of just I am keep one I, so remaining thing I can write
Sorry, A plus IB, yes, sir.
A plus IB. What is your name?
Kavimani.
Kavimani, yes, correct. Correct. So because it is going up to infinity, that's why you can write, you can keep one I, remaining I power infinity, you can replace by A plus IB. That is equal to A plus IB. Right hand side. Okay. So now I am going to take log on both sides. So log of I power A plus IB equal to log of A plus IB. So now using the properties of logarithm, you can write A plus IB into log I. Okay. Log A power B, you can write B log A. So this is equal to log of A plus IB. Log of A plus IB. Okay, I'll write log of A plus IB. The next step, I am going to write A plus IB. What is log I? What is log I, Kribarjan?
I pi by
I pi, yeah, correct.
I pi by 2, sir.
Yeah, I pi by 2. Okay, I pi by 2. Already you need to write half log A square plus B square. A is 0, B is 1, plus I tan inverse of B is 1, A is 0, log 1, 0. This is a tan inverse of infinity. Tan inverse of infinity is pi by 2, so I pi by 2. Okay, so this is equal to log of A plus IB. What is log of A plus IB? Half
log A square plus B square
A square plus B square
plus
plus
I tan inverse of B by A.
Yeah, I tan inverse of B by A. So this is the definition. So today I defined the first slide. Okay. So now multiply the left hand side. Okay, and compare the real and imaginary part. If you multiply, you'll get what? I pi A by 2.
So I pi A by 2.
Yeah, I pi A by 2
minus
B
pi by 2.
I square is minus, so minus B pi
by 2.
Yeah. Is equal to right hand side, the same thing.
Is equal to half log A square plus B square.
Yeah, half log
A square plus B square.
A square plus B square
Plus I tan inverse of B by A.
Yeah, I tan inverse of B by A. Thank you for Mr. Run. You please write. Okay, I will ask to somebody else now. Okay, so Bhavan, are you ready to give the answer for my question? Okay. Shruti, Shivanu Singh, Shailaja, Sandanam Pugal, Sri Shankita, Sri Western, Swati. Just I want to know. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Shailaja. Okay. So the question is very simple question. Okay. Just you need to compare the real and imaginary part. And if you compare the real part, what is the left hand side? Please tell.
Minus b upon
Minus
2 into
b by
pi
2. Right hand side is what?
1 upon 2
Okay.
log a square plus b square.
Yes, correct, Shailaja. Thank you for response. Okay, equating the real part. Okay. So please write equating the real part. Okay. So now you can cancel these 2 and 2. Okay. And from this, what is log of a square plus b square? Shailaja, please tell. Oh, sorry, what is okay? I will write it. Minus pi b equal to log of a square plus b square. What is a square plus b square from this?
E power minus I.
Yeah, a square plus b square equal to e
E power
minus
pi b.
pi b. That's all. So that is we need a square plus b square equal to e power minus pi b. Okay. Okay. Now, so next, last question. Naga Nitin.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you compare the imaginary part, what we will get, Naga Nitin? I think please tell your name first. I don't. Please tell your name.
My name is Nitin, sir.
Nitin. Okay. Nitin. So please tell Nitin what is, if you compare equating the imaginary part, what you will get? Equating the imaginary part. Please tell the left hand side you have what?
Pi a by 2
Pi a by 2. Okay.
equals to tan inverse b by a.
Yeah, tan inverse b by a. But we need what? We need b by a. Is it correct? So
Yes,
from
sir.
this b by a equal to what?
Tan of pi a by 2.
Tan of pi a by 2. Thank you, Nitin. So I think we got the answer. Okay, pi a by 2. Okay. So now time is also 9:45. So thank you. So try to solve more problems. And you can also start the second assignment also. So second assignment last date is next week. But first you should finish the first assignment. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Sir,
Yeah, please tell Purnachandra.
root I whole power root I answer e power I 3 by 2 by 4 pi by 4, sir. Into
You
1
got,
plus.
you got the answer. Huh?
Yes, sir.
I don't have the answer now. Please send to me. Please take a snapshot
Okay,
and
sir.
send to me. I will check it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Purnachandra. Thank you.